What's up, everybody? You're watching another signNow video guide with the next tip on how electronic signatures can make your day-to-day document workflows paperless and stress-free.
With signNow, you're always aware of any changes made to any of your documents. A document owner can view the document history anytime they need and check what actions were made in the document by which user, at what time, and which IP address. To quickly view a document's history, select the document you need and click More. Select History from the drop-down and the log will appear in the pop-up window. To download the document with its history attached, open the document, click the gear button on the top right of the page, and click Download with History. Here you'll find the same log on the last page of the downloaded document. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses. signNow provides its users with a seamless e-signature experience anytime, anywhere, on any device. signNow's intuitive interface allows first-time users to create an account, upload documents, and send their first document for signing in minutes. No long training or downloads required. Break free from pricing plans with hidden costs for overages or renewals. With signNow, you only pay for what you use without overcharges for extra sends or templates. Close deals faster, improve your team collaboration, and get complete visibility into the document signing process using advanced functionality that is tailored to your needs. signNow is committed to protecting your sensitive information by complying with global, industry-specific security standards. On top of that, signNow easily integrates with the apps and CRM that you already use, close deals, and accelerate projects without leaving your software, and supercharge your experience with the Business Cloud, an end-to-end solution that not only incorporates e-signature, but PDF editing and document workflow automation.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments or click the link in the description and get your free 7-day trial that you can cancel anytime.